Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is August the 9th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. This system has the Super Scalper, that's this blue and yellow moving average. Will give an audio sound in a pop-up box as you see here. It'll say scalping either sell or buy. And the other ones, buys and sells, that's part of the super signal indicator. That's the one with the blue and red arrows. Would not trade without it. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer as I want to be trading the New York session. London starts around here. New York starts around here, so I want to be in front at least 1 or 2 hours before the New York opens. I look at all the different instruments and then I look at my daily trade plan, and once I make a decision whether I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow according to what my daily trade plan is telling me to do. Now here's my daily trade plan running in real time, and as you can see the bottom ones were selling and going up. There's a lot of bullish trades. So this daily trade plan runs in real time, and it can change, especially after the 30-minute candle closes. This could change, or the 1 hour, 4 hours. Obviously the daily, weekly, monthly is going to take a longer period of time before it'll change from blue to red. Now if you're trading without a daily trade plan, doesn't have to be this one, but you must have some kind of a daily trade plan or you will fail at trading. Like I said, I did 7 trades. They were all buys except the gold here. Took all the trades before 7. And I closed them all out almost right to the minute, just before 11 a.m. New York time, which is the London close. And it is not even 11:30 in the morning as I am doing this video, and obviously I'm done trading for the day. Now we can get into some of these trades. The first one is the Euro CAD. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. When you're buying, this little cursor will be colored in blue, and that is where I closed it. So should have closed it up a little bit, or if I would have stayed in the trade, it was working its way up again. But when I close the trades, I just look at the bottom when I feel like I got 200 or more pips or ticks. Then I am done trading for the day. So for sure I have at least 200 for today. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here, locking in about 20, and those 20 pips paid out $156. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Pound Aussie. On this Pound Aussie, wanted to be buying it. Super signal blue, everything is blue at the bottom. Very, very easy to make a decision to buy. There's a super signal blue arrow. Let's see where I got in at. Once it cleared the goal line, got in at that point, closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 29, and those 29 pips paid out $195. Moving along to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Wanted to be buying it. There's the white arrow from the daily trade plan. Waited for a bit of a pullback. Mostly everything is blue down at the bottom. Scalper's blue. And a few other signs that are telling me that it's going up. So I took the trade. And if you actually look at the meter to the left here, the Aussie is a bus driver, the same as the New Zealand. So once you have bus drivers, the market is going to be moving. And I teach all of these tips in the package called How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. I highly recommend you get that package. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out, being happy with about 45 pips, and that paid out $300. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. Another one. By the way, the other trades did qualify for a great way to trade. So when I see charts looking like this, I label that as a great way to trade. Again, I teach how to trade that way within the training video called How to Trade a Great Way to Trade. Got in at this cursor, closed it out. Looks like at a good, right at the top here, locking in about 49 pips, and that paid out $347. Moving on to the next trade, the Euro New Zealand. Another one qualified for a great way to trade, the white arrow, directly from the daily trade plan. Scalper is blue. How many more signals do you need to take the trade? So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here with about 60 pips, and that paid out $369. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Here's the arrow from the daily trade plan telling me to buy. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Went mostly sideways. It did go up. I missed it when it hit the top up here. I was looking at other things and being distracted. But that's okay. It still is a winner no matter how you look at it. Looking at the money, since it pays $10 for each tick, this should be 42. There it is right there, 42 ticks, and that paid out $420. Moving on to the last trade, which is gold. Gold also pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 64 ticks. It's the only one I sold. Let's see where I got in at. There's your arrow back there from the super signal. There's your arrow from the daily trade plan. Scalper is saying to sell. Now I went sideways, a little up, little down, a little up. Well, when it gets to these futures and the indexes, a little is not so little. But still, I ended up with a winner, locking in about, it should be 64. There it is right there, 64 ticks, paying out $640. So another great day of trading using my Super Scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be over 200. And I added up all the pips and the ticks, and the number, I came up with 310. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,429. So if your system's not producing like my Super Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you want to get some contact information and a lot of other information, all you have to do is look right below this video. So like I said, all you have to do is look right below the video and you'll see this button here that says show more. All you got to do is click on it. Then as you scroll down, you'll find all this information. Most important is Skype. We have to have Skype connection. Once we're connected, after you click on this link, we will be connected and I can answer your questions. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. You need also a daily trade plan. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So now when you scroll down, you'll see the 4 different packages. I do charge $250 each, but I'm running a couple of limited time offer, like special offers. I want you to keep in mind that this super scalper does not automatically include the super signal indicator. That comes in package 4. Now if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. And that's about a 33% discount. All my packages include a free Skype session where I can answer your questions. Now my other offer is, if you buy package 1, 2, or 3, and then for $50 more, that's a total of $300, I'll give you the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. Now if you do the math or the calculations, that works out to a 40% discount. And now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple. All you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my phone number. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You can also send me an email. Here's my email address. Now here's another link for my Skype connection. Now I wanted to inform you that doing these packages or putting them together takes me many hours. And once you have it, you own it. And obviously there's no way I can take it back because you already have it. And I don't want to work for free. So please note that there are no refunds. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe, okay? Bye for now.